Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how do I create this design on Canva application. So first, let's open your Canva, make a new project, and then set a blank page like this. Let me add a new page. Let me prepare it. Okay, and then the next step, you just need to add an element onto the page. First, you need to insert these shapes. This one. Okay, and then increase the size of it. You need to increase the size of the shapes like this. And now the next part, you need to insert the element. So for example, I'm going to add this element of a kangaroo, same as the previous design that you are see before. Okay, I would like to adjust the style and the position of the element. And the next step, I would like to change this element color onto white color as same as the background color. Okay, like this. Go back, and for the shadow, change it onto white color also. Okay, go back, and after that, you just need to download this design. Download it. Don't forget to change the type of the file onto PNG. Increase the size of the pixel, and wait for a moment. Which page? Okay, done. Download. After finish downloading the element or the design, you need to go back to your page. You can remove all of this element and go to your gallery button, open it up, and insert the element or the design that you already saved before. Okay, this one, add it to the page like this, and increase the size of it, and go to this Magic Studio button, then click this PG remover to remove the background from it. Why we have to remove the background from this design? So actually it's to create a hollow effect onto this white spot of an object, this one. Okay, I will show you why we do that later. Okay, the next part, you need to decrease the size of the frame and increase the size of the element like this. Now the next part, add a text onto this page. So for example, I already prepared a text on ChatGPT. Let's open a Google Chrome and go to the ChatGPT. Okay, as I said before that I already prepared a text on ChatGPT. Now you just need to copy this text and then go back to the Canva and go to the second page, this one. Then click this text button, add a little bit of heading, and paste the text onto this page. Just like this. Now go to the font, decrease the size of the font from this text, and send it to the back. Sorry, send it to the back like this. Decrease it. Okay, you need to make sure that it's fit. Every word it's fit onto this kangaroo frame. Now, if you want to, you can change the font onto a bold font or a font that have a style like this font. I will use this font. Okay, like this. Wait, let me increase the, okay, like that, and change the color of it. Okay, positioning it. Now the next part, you need to insert another shape like this onto this page to cover the background from this page. And now again you need to download this design. Go back to your page again, and you can delete every single element from this page. Now go to your gallery, and insert the design that you are saved before, this one. Click the Magic Studio, and now let me show you why we need to click this BG remover to remove the background from it. And this is the result that you will get. As you can see, the things that left from the design, it's only this words shape, this one. And now if you want to add an effect like the the first intro of this video, you can just click the image and go to this effect button and add a shadow onto it. Okay, let me decrease the size of the frame and now change the background color. Just like that. And that's the way to create this style of typography on your Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.